What's up everyone? In this video we are going to be trying some of the best pizza places here in CNC, and guys, these two best pizza places I began doing some research 3 weeks ago to see which pizza would be great, and we ordered them. We ordered both in creamy chicken, and we're gonna tell you guys the final review of the pizza which we got, and if they are good then that will be the review, but I will only give one review for the pizza. And here we go. So we got the pizzas, and we got Panarottis in Debonair's pizza in the creamy chicken flavor. So we're gonna see which one will be the best between the two, and I'm only going to give one review. So if one lacks one thing, then that's it. And guys, we dismantled the pizzas when carrying them in the bag. So funny that after ordering we just packed the pizzas in the bags and we didn't even realize that they are getting out of shape. So don't worry about the shape of the pizza. So let's go into the review now. Yeah.
At this point I thought it would be the dream pizza. I had so many higher expectations because last time I tried the same pizza and it was great and I gave a very good review about it. But later on it started being pretty concerning, and finding a small issue means that the ball was getting lower and lower, and it might result into it having a very bad review. So you have to always know that even if the pizza is very bad, it is a good pizza because it has other flavors which we need.
One issue found, there's a lot of salt in it. The salt is just like, it's more. I don't know about this one. Let me try to see.
So will this pizza be worth the money I spent or not?
This is what I needed. This is what I needed. The salt is minimal and normal. This one, the issue is just a little bit of salt has been added to it. But both of them are good, but the only issue is the salt, and that's why this one I'm gonna give it a 8 and this one I'm gonna give it a 9, because everything is good. The onions, the chicken, the salt has been like equaled. Everything's great. And this one, the only issue is we have the issue with the salt. The salt is just a little bit more than this one, and also this one I cannot see any onions. I can only see the chicken and the cheese and the main pizza, but this one everything's here. The onions, the chicken, and the entire pizza, the cheese, everything's here. So the final review is Panarotti's pizza is better from my side. And don't judge me. Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me. I've only said that because this one has more salt, but it is very good as well. But the salt is the only issue. So let's see which one has the best chicken. So I'm just going to get from the top. Okay. With the chicken, both win. They have won. But the winner of today's review is Panarotti's pizza has won. It is better than this one because the salt is more. Guys, that's the end of our review, and if you enjoyed, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.